Now we are going to see how to prepare the stock inventory transactions and also the job inventory issue and purchase advice. So purchase advice is done by the store manager. So for the purchase advice from the inventory, we have the purchase advice screen. So this is the purchase advice which is load from the requisition. So from the requisition we can load, and after that the store manager will assign each quantity, maybe for requisition or maybe for stock transfer. This is another inventory issue, and if you check this quantity, this is from transfer from one location to another location. So likewise store manager will already assigned for each item. After that the timekeeper, when he open the same purchase advice, he will only able to see these details only. He will not be edit or anything, and after that once it is approved from the storekeeper level, he can create the inventory issue and transfer based on this document. To create the inventory transfer, so we have the option from the action, we have the option to create inventory transfer. So once we click here, it will automatically load which all are the transfer assigned against this location. So we can define the transfer from here, which location to which location. We can select that one. We can select the transfer to also. After that, here it will automatically assign to the storekeeper based on the permission. So if it is from 163, it will automatically come here. So after that, just save the transaction. It will go to the issue inventory transaction screen. So once we done the issue inventory transfer, it will be only under a transit location. Here we need to select the type also. Type is a transfer. So this is how we are doing the issue inventory transfer. Like the same way, we can load the inventory issue. The inventory issue means which is already delivering to the project site. So we have the option here, create inventory issue. So once we load that one, automatically it will come here with all the details like project cost code and all other things and quantity also. And after that one, we can directly save it. Just to verify from our side, and we can directly save this one. Now only one item which is only to issue. That's why one item is coming here. Otherwise, which all are the items we assign to issue, it will automatically load here. Apart from that, we have separate option for issue inventory transfer, which is the same. We can do it manually, like we can select the from location. Again, I'm selecting a project site and to location, and here we can select the type as transfer. Here we have the option to select the item. Suppose I select this item and I can enter the quantity here. And after the enter the quantity, we can save the transaction. So this is how we will do the issue inventory transfer. So once the issue inventory transfer is done, the next step is like we have receive inventory transfer. So if you are receiving that inventory from another location, you should select the location 156. It will automatically come based on the user preference. Now this time in a super admin, that's why I selecting manually. So from here So from here we can fetch which all are the transfer to this location. So once we select that one, which all are the transfer from the other location 156, it will come here. So here it will show what is the transfer quantity. If you want to receive all, just click here receive all will be accepted. Or else we can do it manually, like how much we are receiving. The balance will automatically go to the short quantity. See, automatically accepted as one, short quantity will be one. So after that, just to save the transaction. So from what we are accepted, it will come to our inventory to that location. The balance short quantity, we can use the reject inventory transfer. If suppose the source location sent 5 quantity, I receive only 3. The else 2 are damaged or any kind of rejected quantity is there, we can use reject inventory transfer. So the same way I can call location here. When we click here, it will show which all are the pending quantities to this location. So it will show here how much is the transfer, how much is the accepted, and what will be the balance. It will automatically come as rejected. Just save the transaction. So it will rejected and it will go back to the source location. This is how we are managing this inventory transfers. Now the next one is inventory issue. So inventory issue in the project, we have inventory issue screen. So automatically this will come. I'll select 163. So we have the option to do it manually as well as from the budget. So if you are creating from the budget, create from the material estimation, and automatically we can select which all are the cost categories and click OK. It will list which all are the items automatically. So we can select the items based on the activity, and now I selected the item, and when we click OK, it will load with all the details like project details, subgroup details, BOQ details. So here you can see these all are the BOQ reference ID. It will automatically come here, and here we can enter the quantity as well. So after we enter the quantity, we can save this one. Once we save this one, it will directly issue to that project. So this is how we are making the stock inventory transfers and project inventory issues. If any kind of return from the project site to our inventory, we have the option in the project, we have inventory return. So in the inventory return, the same way we will select location 163, and from the action itself we can create it from inventory issue. So when we click here, it will list up which all are the inventory issue transactions. Once we select that one, it will automatically load which all are the quantities that we have issued. We can enter the return quantity here. Suppose I issued one quantity and I am partially returned back. Just I will mark it as 0.5. And once we save this one, this much quantity will come back to our inventory. This is how we are managing this project inventory return.